My exciting life as a fire inspector. Let's see what I do for a living. This is the fire panel. I watch the fire panel while someone goes out and trips the devices. Anytime now. This is my radio. The person tripping the devices calls me on the radio to tell me what he's going to do before he does it. Still nothing. Yeah, it's 4:40 in the morning. I'm sorry, 3:40 in the morning. Exciting job. A lot of action. Live life on the edge. Let's check. Nope, still nothing. You know, even though this is not super exciting, this is still way better than my last job, caged up in a freaking warehouse. Oh, still nothing. A pool station? All right. This is exciting stuff. Any minute now. He's going to pull the little pool station. Any second. You got to be ready. You got to be alert. You know. Dealing with fire systems here. Yeah, I can hear you. What's the room number?
This will be front entry door number 1, east side.
Alright. Okay. Holy crap. Here it's beeping.